Welcome to Air Conditioning Repair, Hazeldale, Oregon. Right now, heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're searching for trustworthy HVAC contractor in your area, you should turn to no one else than Right Now Heating and Cooling. We offer services for residential and commercial buildings. With over 25 years of expertise in the field, we boast the knowledge and expertise needed to tackle even the most challenging HVAC problems. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are extremely skilled in every aspect of the heating and cooling industry. They offer exceptional services with excellent results, outstanding customer service, and competitive prices. Our team takes pride in staying current in technological advancements and codes to keep your home and family well maintained. Whatever the complexity or large the job is, we are happy with what they do. This is evident in our high-quality workmanship. From small heating and cooling repair to large-scale central heating and cooling system installation, our HVAC technicians can help. We only employ factory-trained technicians. They're the best professionals in the industry, which means your work will be done right the first time. Right Now Heating and Cooling anticipates that we will continue to work with us regardless of when the new equipment has been installed. Our ongoing maintenance will keep your system running at maximum efficiency without causing interruptions. We offer a range of services such as furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, as well as many other services. Our approach has always been simple, that is to offer a fair price using qualified HVAC technicians that do not charge extra charges, and backed with 100% satisfaction guarantee on the quality of work. If you need any heating or cooling issues, or installation services for your home or office or business, our HVAC technicians are available to assist you. We have pricing options on all repairs/expert and guaranteed work. Emergency and weekend service as in warranties for every parts and labor. Visit our website, or call us at 503-300-6124.